What's up, guys? This is your old pal Deluxe Chimp down in Texas, and I'm at the Cadillac Ranch. Let's go ahead and see if I can't put the Deluxe Chimp tag in a rattle can on some of them old Cadillacs. I will say the caddies are far from the road, so a little bit of a walk-in. I'd say if it rained, this would be all mud. And figuring that it's about 101 degrees today, and I'm wearing a helmet to walk out here because I don't want to leave my helmet alongside the road. It's stinking hot. And there it is in all of its spray-painted glory. And there it is, my tag at the Cadillac Ranch. And just like that, they all fall down. Alright guys, this has been Deluxe Chimp, coming to you from Cadillac Ranch. Till next time, ride safe.